Hi, I'm Chip and welcome to Tuesday Tips. Today we're going to talk about the RYOBI 18-volt ONE HP Brushless half-inch impact wrench. This incredibly versatile tool is great across a wide range of applications, from loosening lug nuts, loosening your CV axle nuts, suspension work, subframe bolts, even tightening on a trailer hitch ball. This is a perfect tool. I even keep one of these in the back of my truck just in case I have a flat tire and need to change it out quickly. Now, this die-cast gear case helps elevate the torque rating of this tool with up to 600 pounds of breakaway loosening strength and up to 450 foot-pounds of tightening strength. This also has 4 different modes: slow, medium, fast, and automatic, which helps to regulate your loosening and your tightening torque automatically. Finally, we've got 3 bright LED lights to illuminate your entire work area, making it super convenient. Kick the compressor and enjoy all the features of the half-inch impact wrench.